we're making a crispy grilled cheese, salami and ham tortilla pocket. This recipe right here, outrageous. Now, being honest with you, I've never tasted it before, but it looks outrageous. We're gonna make it today. When it comes to recipes that you've never tried before, you gotta try it one time. You can't just look at it and think, oh my gosh, it looks so good, and never make it. You have to make it so you know if you like it or not. That's what we're doing today, and I'm so excited. I literally seen this recipe in the middle of the night, and I said, that's it, I'm making it. So let's see if it tastes good. You are going to need some flour tortillas. Now the size that I got is the burrito size. Now, if you want it a little bit smaller than this, you can always get the fajita size. And then the smaller ones than that would be, of course, the taco size, okay? But make sure they're the flour tortillas and not the corn ones, okay? If you hear a little bit of noise in the background, they're doing some yard work, so please excuse that. I got some yellow American cheese. Feel free for this recipe. Use whatever kind of cheese you have, okay? I have some mild cheddar that we're gonna be using. And we have a really interesting ingredient. We're doing mayonnaise and mustard. I have some hard salami that's sliced thin, and I got some gorgeous ham. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make these grilled cheese, hard salami, and ham tortilla. Hope y'all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Happy hump day to a lot of you. I know everybody gets really antsy and excited that the weekend is almost here. The first thing we're gonna do is, I think I'm gonna do 2 of these for you guys, but I wanted to talk about, for the original recipe that I seen yesterday, the person was using tomatoes in theirs. I don't have any fresh tomatoes, so I'm gonna leave it out, but I'm gonna tell you one thing. When the moment I get tomatoes, I have to try it with tomatoes too, so I can see what the original recipe tastes like. First thing we're gonna do to make this taste amazing, you're gonna need some condiments on here. I'm gonna be honest with you. Whatever condiments you love, you could put on here. Today we're using mayonnaise and mustard. The two go together like peas and carrots. Get a nice dollop onto each. I'll be doing 2 of these for this video today. And then let's get us some mustard. Don't skip on the mustard, right? We love mustard. We're gonna mix everything right onto this tortilla, and be sure to go all the way out to the end. Who's excited about this? I am so excited. My family is all excited, but I understand it looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. Here's the thing. If you love lunch meat, you love cheesy gooiness, you love grilled cheese, baby, this right here is gonna be your go-to recipe. That's what we're gonna call it. Do this one. Let me know what you guys are having for lunch. What you have for lunch, whether you was at home or at work. I wanna know what you all had. What's the weather looking like? The weather today is kind of playing with me a little bit because the sun keeps going behind the clouds. I want to get in the swimming pool, but the sun will say, here I am, and then it says, nope. And I'm like, okay, I don't know. I might jump in there tonight, but then again, that depends on what the weather's gonna be. If the sun keeps going behind the clouds, the water won't be warm, and I ain't getting in there when it's cold. I did that like last week and I was freezing. First thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and get our cheese right down 2 pieces, but don't worry, we're gonna put more cheese than this for sure. Just like so. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and put our ham on. I folded the ham. We're gonna put it this way, and then we're gonna put this piece like this, just like so. Easy and simple, nothing hard about this recipe. Now let's go ahead and put our salami. Make sure your salami is like thin pieces, okay? So I'm gonna do like 3 to 4 pieces, just like this, okay? And then we're gonna turn around and put the cheese right on top, just like this. How exciting is this? Yum. Put a couple more pieces of salami. I kind of skimped on that one. Let's see. And 1 more to go. This part right here, super simple. We're just gonna literally take this, and the mayonnaise and the mustard is gonna help to kind of adhere our sandwich, so to speak. Okay, so watch this. Just a nice flip over, give it a push, okay? Push it down, see how it's sticking to itself, and then we fold it, okay? Just like this. How simple. Now here's what we're going to do so we can make this into like a grilled cheese. We're going to turn around and take some of this shredded cheese, put it right there in the pan. Yes, or you can put it on here and then flip it on however you want to do, but this is going to get grilled and melted onto our flour tortilla. You could do both sides. I'm going to do just one because only though you may have a non-stick pan, just make sure you do like I did and put a little tiny bit of oil in the bottom of the pan so this doesn't stick. This part is so much fun. Cheese, just a little bit, kind of spread it out, and we're going to take this, put it right on the pan, and then we're going to take our spatula, kind of mush it a little bit, just like that. Oh yeah, it's the same thing. I had just enough cheese to do this. Okay, come on, gorgeous, smash it, let it be, let it get nice and golden brown, kind of ooey and gooey like a couple of times, okay? And it does take a while for that cheese at the bottom to get that golden brown crispiness, gooiness that we're looking for, so don't bother it right now because it ain't ready real quick. Now listen, some of you like to always ask me, what you drinking for today? Once again, I have the clove water that I absolutely love. I drink it strictly for my gut. And this, for me, it works for me. I don't know if it's going to work for anybody else. But I put 3 cloves, fresh cloves, in just hot water. You know, like you were getting ready to make tea. It does not have tea in it. But there's 3 cloves, and I just let them steep in there, and I drink this. Once I drink it down, I'll fill it up again. And the next time I drink it, I will like literally eat the cloves, and it has my stomach like flat as a board, and I am loving this, y'all. And it don't taste bad. You don't need to sweeten it. Just drink it like this. Go ahead and flip it over because I know it's ready. You're gonna have to kind of scrape under there to get that cheese. Oh baby, are you kidding me? Look at that right here. This one gave me the blues a little bit. It started to stick, but not because of any technique that we did. This pan just really needs to be replaced. Oh yeah, but we still got that grilled cheese on the top. Look at this. Are you kidding me? See, I went ahead and put this other one in here since that pan was sticking. I'm going to get rid of that pan. And we're going to get the bottom of this nice and toasty. And like I said, let me reiterate. Just because I didn't have enough shredded cheese, that's why I didn't do the underneath side. But if you have enough, put cheese on both sides so this can be like grilled cheese on both of your sides. You know, look at this. Bring it close so they can see. Because I'm all excited about this. We're getting ready to cut this. Oh, this part right here is the fun part. We are going to cut it. Oh, it's so crispy. Oh, and I can feel the gooey in the middle. Watch this. Wait until you see. Oh my goodness. I know. I had to get the cheese and he turned the camera on a little too quick. But y'all listen, I'm at home. Enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina Young's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, on today, oh, I thank you for this lunch. Your hedge of protection, your mighty love, your understanding, your time, your mercy. Father, I thank you for what you've done in my past and what you're getting ready to do. Amen. Listen, if you want to see me taste this, stay ready. I am so excited. That second one, my husband then grabbed it and ran off. He did. So we have one. Let's taste. Oh. This is everything I can imagine. Oh.